Welcome to page 4 of Accel Pkt number 5. On this page, we're studying scatter plots and deciding if there's a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no correlation. Let's just take a look at each of the graphs we've been given. In number 4, we're comparing the age of a car to the value of the car in dollars. Clearly, there's a trend or a pattern. This is a downward trend, and it's what we call a negative correlation. Let's take a look at number 5. We're looking at the diameter of a tree trunk, that's our X, and the height of that tree, that's our Y value. Well, in this case, clearly there's a pattern, an upward trend. This is what you would call a positive correlation or relationship. And lastly, number 6. The temperature on the outside compared to the amount of heat needed on the inside of a house. Again, take a look at the scatter plot. There is a downward trend, definitely a pattern. This is what we would call a negative correlation. Remember, when we write about a positive correlation, such as number 5, as X increases, your Y values also increase. But in a negative correlation, like number 6, as X increases, your Y values will decrease. It's your job now to take a moment and write a description for each of these correlations. Pause the video, and when you're ready, turn the video back on. Make sure you use the labels that you see on each graph to write a good description. Please pause the video now and turn it back on when you're ready to check your work. Let's check your work. For number 4, you should have stated something like this. As the age of the car increases, the value decreases. For number 5, as the diameter of the tree increases, the height also increases. Give yourself a C if that's correct. And lastly, for number 6, as the temperature outside increases, the amount of heat needed on the inside decreases. This concludes page 4 of packet number 5.